Alright guys, we just looked down the bush and we saw a fire down there, down at the lake. So someone might be having a campfire or something. I wonder what's... It's like a campfire.
I don't know if it's a campfire too. Not that good when you zoom in on it. Does anyone want to use a binocular?
Wait, maybe put the camera on.
No, it wouldn't work.
That would be cool if it did.
Yeah, I'd say it's just some young kids having a party or something. You want to look?
Dad said he thinks someone lives down there. They're the people who always go swimming. And the wind's blowing our way. So if that catches up, it could...
Highly unlikely.
Yeah.
And looks like I reckon they've already put it out, so maybe they've had a quick little, maybe some kids mucking around. See how there's not much smoke coming out of it now?
Yeah, they'd probably... If we yelled out there, they'd probably put it out straight away. If we yelled
Looks like it's
something.
already out, I reckon.
Yeah.
Do you want to have a go at the binoculars, Tom?
Yeah, can you?